When I tell children about it, the first thing I tell them is the one who comes last is the winner.
So coming back to ecobricks, since this is one thing that has been gaining traction recently, people have started questioning this, be it positively or be it negatively. So if you could just walk us through the process of making one ecobrick, what are the steps, how do we do it?
So first and foremost, like I said, after you're done with all your R's, please remember R's in capital and bold letters. Follow those. Uske baad hi ecobricks karna. And if you have any person who is willing to take your single-use polythenes, multi-layered plastics, tiny bits, अच्छे से उनको दे दीजिएगा. Don't make ecobricks if you have a person who's coming over. If you don't have these people, then are you going to put it into the dustbin just like that to harm the environment? No. That time you will make an ecobrick. And how will you make it? Ecobrick may the first, when I tell children about it, the first thing I tell them is the one who comes last is the winner.
Okay.
So it gives you a measure of how much plastic you are using, how much chocolates. With children, it's always chocolates and chips and biscuits. So how much unhealthy food you're eating. So that gives you a measure, right? So आप जब packets से सब आते हैं, you wash it properly. And if you're using a bioenzyme to wash, you can reuse that water. So water is not wasted. Bioenzymes use कर रहे हो, your water is getting rejuvenated again. So everything is in a cycle when you are doing it the right way. Okay? Then you dry it, and the bottle has to be dried, and you put it inside and you compact it with a strong stick. So compacting is very important for this brick to gain a certain strength. Okay? So that is very important. Ecobricks is not just about putting all these things and just throwing it away. So you have to do it sensibly. So ye pura, when you go on compacting it, see right now it is making a noise. See? Arita, it is not done. So this is still in process.
Okay, so this is so full, but there is still space in this to put more.
You can hear this. So it is not full. So it has to attain a certain density for it to become strong for further construction. If you're not going to use it for construction, which most of us do not. So what we do is, in my house, what I do, I make planter stands with this. I make small stools. So people who know, who've gone through my sessions of ecobricks and all, they've seen that famous stool of mine where I make everyone sit.
Yes.
So
I've seen that. Yeah.
So that is one strong stool where everyone can sit. तो आपके घर में बच्चे हैं, अगर आपको उनको अलग से क्यों आप घर में ही बना के उसको
You can make garden chairs, you can make terrace stools. All of that.
And the best part, what I had done was I decorated this with jute, some dry flowers and all. I made it as a gift.
Yeah.
मैं सबको gift देकर आई हूँ. ये whoever I meet, whoever dignitaries I meet, I give them an ecobrick as a gift. So they just wonder, what is this? This looks so beautiful, but है क्या? So when I
अंदर है कचरा.
हाँ, तो when I tell them ये कचरा है, मतलब हाँ ये कचरा है. ये कचरा का पूरा, it is the best out of waste which I'm giving you. It is an upcycle gift. Upcycling is too much in now. So I upcycle my kachra.